DIY IT Lesson 2. The knowledge gap, gamble, the knowledge gap that's bankrupting small businesses. You wouldn't let someone perform surgery while they're still learning anatomy, right? Yet that's exactly what happens when business owners try to manage their own IT security. Modern cybersecurity isn't something you can figure out on weekends between running your business. It takes years of specialized training to understand network vulnerabilities, proper backup configurations, and compliance requirements. Here's the terrifying reality. Amateur IT management doesn't just create inefficiencies, it creates business-destroying security holes. One misconfigured firewall, one untested backup system, or one compliance violation can result in massive fines or complete data loss. Professional IT providers spend thousands of hours earning certifications and managing hundreds of different business environments. They know which mistakes bankrupt companies and how to prevent them. Think about it this way. That tech-savvy employee managing your IT has maybe a few dozen hours of experience. Our team has literally thousands of hours preventing the exact disasters that destroy businesses. The knowledge gap between amateur and professional IT management isn't just about convenience, it's about survival. In cybersecurity, what you don't know absolutely can kill your business. Your expertise is running your business. Our expertise is protecting it. Don't gamble your company's future on knowledge you don't have.